To be ye or not to be ye, it's no longer the question. 87% of global business interactions will soon take place in English. But the question is, are your students ready? Learners don't always have the skills and tools at hand to make the right play, and that's where the business English professional takes the field. Teaching business English is about adapting to the needs of your learners, and it's the future. But are you ready to play? Join me and over 60 other speakers for the 40th anniversary TESOL France Annual International Colloquium, November 19th to 21st. My session on Saturday, To Be Ye or Not to Be Ye, will discuss reworking workplace English and how you too can get in the game. Seems a little soft. Tom, did you let the air out again?